Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to Instagram stories. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and swipe right from your home feed, or tap the plus icon and select story. Now, capture a photo or video, or choose one from your gallery. Once your story is ready, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the sticker options, tap Music. A library of songs will appear, and you can either browse popular tracks or use the search bar. To find the song you want, when you select a song, drag the slider to choose the exact part of the track you'd like to use. You can also pick how the lyrics or album cover appear on your story. After adjusting everything, tap Done, then position the music sticker anywhere on your story. Finally, hit your story to share it with your followers, and that's it. How you add music to your Instagram stories? For more tutorials just like this one, don't forget to stay tuned.